Ever wondered why you suddenly sneeze? It's actually your body's built-in defense system. When dust, pollen, or another irritant enters your nose, it activates sensory nerves that send a signal to your brain. Your brain then triggers a powerful reflex involving your chest, diaphragm, and breathing muscles. Your lungs rapidly push air out through your nose and mouth, helping remove irritating particles from your nasal passages. So that huge achoo isn't random. It's your body's way of protecting your airways.